Because the deadline is coming up, I do want to remind you that there is a beneficial ownership information report due on December 31st. If you have an LLC, you are required to do this new absolutely mandatory filing. It's very quick. It only takes about 5 minutes. It's a quick, simple, incredibly painless filing. But if you don't do it, and it's also free, but if you don't do it, the fines start at $500 per day, up to $10,000, and you can get 2 years in jail if you don't do it. So the deadline is December 31st if you had an LLC that already existed. And I want to help you with this, so I made a quick little 15-minute mini course, which you can get at sunlighttax.com/LLC. In this short video, I walk you through me doing my own BOI report on the US Treasury website. So I literally show you how I'm doing mine, and you can just open up another tab as you watch the video and do your own filing alongside me. It takes most people about 5 minutes on top of watching the video, and it's really quick and easy. It's something you can take care of, get it off your list, and rest assured you will never experience fines or penalties or, God forbid, jail time. There has been some controversy about this law. On December 3rd, a Texas court did put an injunction. And so there's a little bit of question about people should file or not file. I personally recommend going ahead and doing the filing. It's free, it's fast. It guarantees that if you miss the news that this injunction gets overturned, you don't suddenly start incurring $500 a day fines, right? Who wants that? So if you feel super on top of your Google News alerts and you're happy to just keep an eye out for if that injunction gets overturned, do your thing. But I recommend that everybody who has an LLC who's subject to the law as written, go ahead and do the filing, because then you know you're not going to get in trouble. So you can get that little course, and it's totally free. I just want everyone who has to file this report to know that it exists, to know that they have to do it, and to be able to do it free and without any scams. So you can get my little course at sunlighttax.com/LLC.